I'm showing you my favorite kitchen gadget. This is the coolest machine. It is one of the first in the world. It is called a Rotimatic. It is making me a roti right now. I'm a Chinese. I'm not that familiar with roti, but I know this is what I call a wholemeal wrap. So I really love this machine. All I have to do is to load the whole wheat flour, water and oil. And whole wheat flour is so healthy. And what you're seeing right now is I'm making a roti. It is the needle chamber right now. It's kneading a dough ball for me. Totally mess free. And I love it how, it just keep going and kneading to make a perfect dough ball. Wait for it. It's coming. Wait for it. Did you see that? What a perfect dough ball. And it's bringing it into the pans to be cooked. It's bringing it to the back of the pan to be pressed into a flattened disc. And now it's pushing it forward into the roast pan to make into a fully puffed wrap. It's cooking now. This is my favorite part, where the whole roti will balloon up like a huge ball. And wait for it, it's coming. This is the best part. Wait for it, it's coming. Look at that, look at that. And it's going to come out. And it's coming out. Ladies and gentlemen, a fresh wrapped perfect circle in just 1.5 minutes. I love my gadget. I love my Rotimatic.